Hey, it's Rebecca. It's the first week of summer and I thought we should have a check-in. You and I both know last summer sucked for more than one reason. A big middle finger to the pandemic, summer classes, and the MCAT. So I thought this summer I could make it up to myself. I'd really like to become a bad bitch, but not just the outer bad bitch appearance. I want my mental health to be thriving and my bank account full. A fat ass wouldn't hurt either. I got the plans all laid out too. I made a habit tracker with all the habits I want to stay consistent with. I bought 2 new books I'm really excited to read, and I found this old journal that I've barely touched. I might not have a Netflix show like other TikTokers, but I swear I'm gonna become the main character of my own story. Anyways, I'll write to you later. I have some people watching me right now. Welcome to the Main Character Chronicles. Online school may be filled with hours of Zoom videos and emails, but if there's something I don't miss about college is the toxic college culture. The glamorization of not getting enough sleep, bragging about forgetting to eat, and drinking on an empty stomach to get drunk quicker, which is a phenomenon called drunkorexia. Of course, I'm not talking about people with mental illnesses like insomnia or anxiety, or people who are in unfortunate circumstances where they have to work multiple jobs and go to school at the same time. If you know, then you know the types of people I'm talking about. Those who feel pride and superiority from having a more unhealthy lifestyle than others. Oh, you got 6 hours of sleep last night? I only got 2. I pulled 2 all-nighters. I'll have time to sleep when I'm dead. It's kind of got me feeling guilty about sleeping 8 hours every night, even when I do have all my work done. And it makes me feel like I always have to be doing something. 50% of college students exhibit signs of daytime sleepiness and 70% are getting insufficient sleep. So why is it okay to sacrifice sleep to make room for other things in your life? Is it because of the unspoken level of pressure to succeed that's placed upon students, whether that be from themselves, their parents, or other people? They may sacrifice their sleep to spend extra time on homework, which gives them more stress, but it doesn't even lead to better grades. Apparently, Albert Einstein had 10 hours of sleep a night, as well as daytime naps. I just fell asleep for like 30 minutes. Chronic sleep deprivation increases so many risks, including drowsy driving accidents, anxiety, depression, and suicidal thoughts. I know that being a student in this age is definitely very difficult, juggling schoolwork, extracurriculars, and it seems like everyone else is always doing better than you. But those good grades, those executive club positions, they'll mean nothing if you're lying in a hospital bed. I think that mainstream media has definitely made a lot of strides to encourage healthy behaviors over the years. For example, cigarettes used to be cool back in the day, but now they're seen as unhealthy. Maybe in the future, the culture behind sleep deprivation can shift. Instead of bragging about how little someone sleeps, maybe they'll brag about how good their sleep schedule is. This is how it begins. Another thing I don't miss about college is how prevalent and normalized drunkorexia is. This isn't technically a real term, and there's no clear definition of what it is in the research literature, but it's kind of when you restrict calories in order to get drunk quicker or maintain a calorie deficit while also drinking. Honestly, people joke about this all the time, saying they can get drunk quicker and save more money on alcohol. And since it's so normalized, it's the whole idea that everyone's doing it, so I can do it. It's really not that dangerous, but it actually is. It can lead to blackouts, alcohol poisoning, hypoglycemia, and alcohol-related brain damage. In the long term, it can lead to liver disease, osteoporosis, and even heart issues. So if you do choose to drink, make sure you eat an appropriate amount of food beforehand. So that's pretty much all of the reflections that I wanted to make on toxic college culture today, but obviously that kind of ties into hustle culture as well as the prevalence of eating disorders in college students and things like the freshman 15. As for my reflections about today, I would rate it a solid 8 out of 10. I got a lot done in terms of my habits, school, and editing for YouTube. I also got to watch a lot of The Walking Dead and FaceTime my friend for a bit. Raining during my run definitely brought the score down a little bit, but it was kind of exhilarating, I guess. Okay, I'll talk to you later tonight. Hey guys, I hope you really enjoyed the first episode of this new series that I wanted to make. I kind of wanted to find a way to incorporate vlogging and like the commentary stuff that you guys prefer more, and also like kind of put in my opinions on a lot of subjects that I wanted to talk about. As with everything, if there's something you agree with or disagree with, put it in the comments. I really like to see like discussions in there. Hopefully in the future I want the episodes to be like multiple days, so like 3 or 4 days, so the episodes are longer and you can see like more consistency throughout the days. So let me know if you would like that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and maybe share it with a friend or something. If you have any suggestions below for like future topics or just like my opinion stuff, make sure to comment that too. I'm still going to be doing like commentary videos and whatever ones that you want me to do, like motivation videos, or a lot of people have been requesting a room tour, workout routine, what I eat in a week. That stuff is all coming too. That is all for today. Signing off right now. I'm gonna go to bed, but yeah, hopefully more consistent uploads in the future. Okay, bye.